And we're joined by David Duty and Jeremy Shantz. David, you're the artistic director for Uptown Rutland. What are we talking about here?
Well, right now what we're doing, do you want me to hold the mic? Or you got the mic? Perfect.
So the art, I got the mic.
Yeah, totally. You trade for the paper. No, so what we're doing here this summer is we're doing a public art project, which is a mural project in Rutland, in the core of Rutland. So today is the kickoff for our kind of a mural festival that we're developing for the summer. This is the first mural with artist Jeremy Shantz, born in the Shuswap in Salmon Arm, but living in Montreal, that we brought out to work with us on this project.
How many murals like this will be around Rutland?
Yeah, so our goal right now, we're still working on bringing in our funding, but we're looking at trying to do 5 large-scale murals in the Uptown Business Association kind of district, which kind of wraps from where we are here now on Valleyview and the Highway 33 over to Rutland Road and the new bus loop. That's the kind of focus area that where most of the art would be, including Lions Park. So we've selected these buildings so that we can create a walking tour.
We've done planters, we've done banners, we've done bike racks, we've done all that. So we wanted to do something a little bit bolder, a little bit brighter, and we wanted to do something that would attract business. So all of the locations we pick have a walkability factor. So people are going to be able to walk to all these murals and go and get their picture taken and look at them and really enjoy them.
Jeremy, what's it like working with a canvas like this?
Oh, it's been beautiful. It's been beautiful. It's more the perfect surface, but the people are what keep it going. Everyone has been stopping by on a constant, just keeping the vibe super high. Everyone's positive and they love what's happening in the area.
It must be nice knowing that your work is going to be displayed to the extent that it will here.
Yeah, and I really feel already after just 5 days of painting that it's changing the neighborhood and people are coming out with more and more positivity and it's making us paint the same way. So it really keeps it what it's supposed to be doing.
So how does this fit in with the goals of Uptown Rutland?
Oh, well, the goals of Uptown Rutland and the Uptown Rutland Business Association are kind of focused really on kind of creating a sense of community and promoting Rutland as a place that is vibrant, like really not really doing anything other than what Rutland is, but trying to focus in on the fact that Rutland is a beautiful place to do business, that the people here are enjoying in their community, and just kind of enhancing a sense of pride and community kind of engagement.
You don't envision a future where everybody wears hats like this all the time?
We're hoping that we're trying to set it up. It's that it's the grass hats. That's going to be a thing in Rutland. You'll go to Rutland and get a Rutland grass hat. Yeah.
All right. And this piece of work behind you, Jeremy, isn't finished yet? There's still more to add?
Yeah, Dave and I are going to collaborate and finish on what's here today, but it's mostly just a push to really foster the creative act of painting. So we're trying to be up here really just enjoying the colors, making it happen.
So we'll be looking forward to more art like this. You've got other artists already?
Yeah. We've got the artists that are coming in for the summer are like a group of local artists as well as artists from across Canada. So we're trying to also enhance the art community here in Kelowna by bringing in artists from outside art communities, established art communities like Montreal and Toronto and Vancouver, Moncton, and we're bringing them here to collaborate and mix with our local artists to work on building strong community artistic bonds on the kind of national stage for Kelowna.
All right, thanks guys. Thanks for telling us about it.
Our pleasure.
And thank you for watching Kelowna Now.